Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Infinix XWatch 3, also known as the XW3 model smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to explore the additional watch faces for this smartwatch. And of course, we are going to have a sample or a demo for downloading watch faces for our Infinix, and at the same time custom watch faces if there's an option for the custom watch faces. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below, watch this video, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start. So this smartwatch is already preloaded with several watch faces. To change, you can go to the settings to just long press on the screen. Again, long press, and we have here the different watch faces. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. So this is the 1, 2, 3. Again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Yes, only 5 watch faces. Okay. So if you want to download the additional watch face, go to the support app. It is using the My Health application we have here on our Android smartphone. Open the My Health app. So on the dashboard, tap on devices, tap on dial center. So we have here recommendation and mine. Mine is the preloaded watch face. Okay, we have downloaded dial, we have watch dial here, and we have a custom dial. So let's tap on the recommendations. As you can see here, we have several categories. We have personalized wallpapers, we have sports, shapes, art fonts, digital clock, and pointers. Again, let's check. Personalized wallpapers. It is loading. Okay, so here are the wallpapers or the watch faces. So take a look. So pick the watch face that you like. I like this one. Very refreshing. Okay, then we have the sports. So far, it has a very good list of watch faces. Okay, there's a lot of options. Then shapes. Okay, so there's only few watch faces in the shape category. Art fonts. So these are the art fonts. Digital clocks. So these are the digital clocks. And we have pointers. Okay, so far the section for the personalized wallpapers do have a lot of options. Okay, let's tap on it. Let's try to download a sample. Okay, let's pick this one. So let's tap on this one. Please do not exit this page when downloading or applying. Okay, so let's try. Download. Downloaded. That's it. Preparing. So let's wait for it. So we cannot exit this page when downloading or applying. So let's wait. Hopefully we'll have a very good internet connection. So for right now it's not. So let's wait for it. It's now downloading. Our smartwatch switch to download mode. So 75%, and we are done. And we have here our first downloaded watch face. Nice. Very slim black border, as you can see here. Very bright screen, I mean. Nice. So far so good with the downloading. No issues at all. Let's try to have a custom watch face. Custom dial, tap on it. Background settings, you can take a photo, get a photo or picture from your device. Just allow the permission here. So let's go back again. Albums. You have downloads here. I like this one. Let's pick this. Or again, let's change. Seems like I like this one. Okay. Position the image. Check. We have here a preview. Okay, I like this style. Nope. Okay. Then set to the current dial. Preparing, please wait. So let's wait for it to finish downloading and applying the watch face on our Infinix XWatch 3. As you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. 30%, 34%, 40%. It's almost done here. Okay. So fast download of the watch face, custom watch face on our smartwatch. 80% now. And as you can see here, we are done. And we have here our custom dial or custom watch face. Okay, nice. Very good so far with the downloading of the custom watch face as well as the dial center here. A sample from the dial center. Okay, so that's it for the demo on how to download watch faces from the My Health application to our Infinix XWatch 3. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel if you like the tutorial. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!